In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum multiple rows in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and bring up your worksheet. In this example, we're working with a simple table that includes products and monthly values for January, February, and March. This kind of setup is very common when you're tracking sales, expenses, budgets, or any other numbers that need to be totaled by row. The good news is that Excel makes this very easy. There are two main ways to do it: by typing a sum formula yourself, or by using the autosum feature to let Excel create the formula for you. Let's start with the recommended method, which is using the sum function. In the sample sheet, the product names are in the first column and the monthly values are in columns B, C, and D. To calculate the total for the first row, click the cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, that's cell E2. Now type the formula equals sum, followed by the range in parentheses, B2 through D2. So the full formula is equals sum, open parenthesis, B2 colon, D2, close parenthesis. Then press Enter. Excel will instantly add the values across that row and show the total. Once the first total is correct, you don't need to retype the formula for every row. Move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it down through the remaining rows. Excel will automatically copy the formula and adjust each row reference for you. That means each product gets its own total without extra manual work. For example, the laptop row totals 450, the mouse row totals 270, the keyboard row totals 220, and the monitor row totals 470. This method is fast, accurate, and especially useful when you have a larger data set. Now let's look at the second method, autosum. This is helpful when you want Excel to insert the sum formula automatically. Select the cells beside or below the rows you want to total, then go to the Home tab or the Formulas tab and click Autosum, shown by the sigma symbol. Excel will suggest a range for each total. Take a moment to make sure the selected range is correct, then press Enter to confirm. Excel will place the sum formulas in the selected cells and calculate the totals for each row. As an extra tip, if you want to calculate a grand total of all the row totals, enter equals sum, open parenthesis, E2 colon, E5, close parenthesis, in an empty cell. That adds all individual row totals together into one overall total. And that's how to sum multiple rows in Excel quickly and efficiently.